Hey everyone, it's Tommy here at T&H Farm. Today's November 7th. We got a cold front coming in, and it's time to winterize our boat. Figured I'd make a simple video just to show you guys that you can do it yourself, and you don't have to take it in to get it winterized and pay the extra $300 or $400, and this won't cost you much. And you know that's the whole game, is saving money. I do this every year. We drain everything, let the foot down, and get ready for next year. Just remember, when you go back to the lake next year, you have to put your plugs back in, or it'll run hot on you. So let's get started. Alright, dude, we're up here in the boat. This is a 95 Maximum with an inboard. It's got the 3.0 liter in it, and the only thing I've done is I've moved the seats here and unsnapped the little latches on either side and just set the console here out the way. What we're going to do here is we're just going to come down here on the side of the block. Let me find it. Once you got a plug there, you're going to remove that plug. That's going to drain the water out the block. Let me see if I can get out of here. Small plug. Let's go get it out of here. And we hadn't had this boat out since Memorial Day or so, and we just brought it in and put it in the barn. I'm going to be using it anymore this year, so it'll probably be late spring when we go back. So you don't do this, you don't think it's too cold. Freeze and bust your block. I got her out. And all I'm doing is simply draining the water. It keeps the engine cool. I'm draining it out. And we're gonna look up under here. You're gonna have one more. Take it out. It's on the bottom side of your both of mine are the same size. I'm just simply using a 7/16. I keep it pretty handy. And I won't put these plugs back in next year when I go to get ready to take it back to the lake. Here comes the next. Don't lose these plugs. You got to have them when you get ready to go back. So I just simply lay mine to the side and leave them out. Drain all the water. This water will continue to drain. And of course, the plug's out the back of my boat, so the water's just running out on the ground. But I just leave these out, and she'll continue to drain. And if there's any remaining water in there that freezes a little bit, it'll expand a little bit, but it'll have room to freeze and not bust anything. So we're good until next year as far as that goes. It's done. Just showing water running. Water we drain from the blocks just continues to run out. Alright guys, that's a wrap. She's winterized. She's ready for the winter. Just remember, you get up there, remove your console, locate your drain plug on your block and your exhaust, pull them, let her drain, lower your unit. Hey, you're good to go. But remember, before you go back to the lake next year, you got to put those drain plugs back in, and you don't want to leave them out because your motor's not going to circulate no water and she'll run hot on you. But anyway, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, and as always, God bless.